Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Deep Learning Biology. My name is Dr. Vikas Bhardwaj, and within this video we are going to discuss oxidation, reduction, reactions. If you remember my previous class, I have told you within the cell, okay, we are going to have 5 types of biochemical reactions. Okay, now try to see here within the cell you are going to have large numbers of biochemical reactions, but these biochemical reactions which are occurring within the cell, they can be categorized into 5 groups. Okay, so first one is breaking or making of carbon carbon bonds. Second one is elimination, isomerization, and rearrangement reactions. Third one is group transfer reactions, and fourth one is free radical reaction, and fifth one is oxidation reduction reaction. Now we have already discussed about all these 4 types, okay, and today we are going to discuss what are actually these oxidation reduction reaction. Hopefully you remember these oxidation reduction reaction, they are also known as redox reactions. Now why? Because wherever you are going to see oxidation, there you are also going to see reduction. So when these two terms they are being combined, oxidation and reduction, what we are going to say? Redox reaction. Now let us take the example here. Okay, you must have learned in your chemistry class. Let's suppose you are going to have Fe2 plus, okay, and then you have this Cu2 plus. Okay, what is going to happen? There is formation of Fe3 plus plus Cu plus. Now here if you break this reaction into two half, okay, what is going to happen? Fe2 plus, okay, Fe3 plus plus electron, yes, this is also reversible. So here what is going to happen? Fe2 plus, it donate one electron, okay. By donating electron, Fe2 plus has been oxidized to Fe3 plus. So here Fe2 plus has been oxidized to Fe3 plus. So this is oxidation. Okay. Now here if you see Cu2 plus, okay, it has accepted one electron, okay, then it has been reduced to Cu plus. Okay. Now here this is reduction. Okay, so here one has lose the electron, another one has accepted the electron. So here what you are going to see, this is one redox reaction which is going to have oxidation as well as reduction reaction. Now here I just want to tell you, you must remember this statement, oil rig. Okay, now what that means? It is oxidation is losing and reduction is gaining, okay, in terms of electron. So in oxidation, what you are going to see? You are going to see losing of electron, while in the case of reduction, what you are going to see? You are going to see gain of electron. Now here you must be knowing, in case of oxidation, okay, in your classes you must have learned what is oxidation. Okay, oxidation is addition of oxygen. Okay, and what is reduction? Okay, you must have learned in your previous class, that is removal of, sorry, addition of hydrogen. Okay, now try to see here. Oxidation, addition of oxygen. Okay, keep in mind it is also the removal of hydrogen, or you must remember it is also removal of electron. So here I have told you oxidation is losing of electron. Okay, so keep in mind oxidation is addition of oxygen. Okay, keep in mind it is removal of hydrogen, removal of electron. Now same way here, if you see, reduction is addition of hydrogen. Okay, just reverse. Okay, or you must remember here it is removal of oxygen. Okay, reduction, but addition of electron. Okay, so here you see reduction is gaining of electron. So these points you must keep in mind. Now in case of biological oxidation, so we have to see in terms of biology. So here we are going to discuss now biological oxidation. Okay, what we are going to see, so in biological oxidation reaction, generally what you are going to see, there is loss of 2 electrons and there is loss of 2 protons. Okay, so in various biological reactions, oxidation reaction, what you are going to see, loss of 2 electrons and 2 protons. And here if you see this oxidation, it is removal of hydrogen. Okay, so now in biological reactions you are going to see reactions like dehydrogenation reactions, and these dehydrogenation reactions, they are being carried out by enzymes dehydrogenases. Okay, so here just keep in mind these dehydrogenation reactions which are being carried out by dehydrogenase enzymes, they are actually biological oxidation reactions. So dehydrogenase, what is removal of hydrogen? Okay, it is oxidation. Okay, now let us take one example. Okay, let's suppose lactate, it is being oxidized to pyruvate. Okay, now we can draw the chemical structure. So here you are going to have CH3 CH C double bond O minus. Okay, so here you are also going to have this hydroxyl group. So this is the chemical formula of lactate. Now here lactate, okay, it can be, okay, converted to pyruvate. So here you are going to have CH3 C double bond O, okay, C double bond O minus. So here you see this hydrogen, okay, it has been removed. Okay, so there is loss of 2 hydrogen, there is loss of 2 electron. Okay, when you are going to have loss of hydrogen, loss of electron, this is oxidation. So here you can say lactate has been oxidized to pyruvate. Okay, and here this reaction is being carried out by the enzyme lactate dehydrogenase. Okay, dehydrogenase. Yes, this reaction is also, it can occur in reverse direction. So here you see lactate, it has been oxidized to pyruvate. Okay, so this reaction is oxidation. Okay, so hopefully you are learning what is oxidation reduction reaction. Now here another point you must remember, okay, that that within the living cell, okay, you are going to have reduced compound. Okay, the living cell, they required, okay, reduced compound. Okay, like there is a need of glucose. Glucose is a reduced compound, and these reduced compound, they are actually the source of electron. Okay, now hopefully you must be knowing by the way of glycolysis. Okay, you will see glucose, it is being finally metabolized to pyruvate. Okay, so there are series of steps. Okay, by these series of steps, what is going to happen? Glucose, it is being metabolized. So glucose, it is a reduced compound, it is going to have energy, but the energy which is present within the glucose, it is not going to be released in a single step. Okay, so what we are going to see, that this reduced compound glucose, okay, it will be oxidized. Okay, so what is going to happen? There is be release of electron. Okay, now these electron, okay, will be accepted, okay, by intermediates. Okay, so intermediates, they are going to accept the electron, and finally, okay, hopefully you remember, so this is going to happen via electron transport chain. So finally oxygen is going to accept this electron. So here you see oxygen, okay, this is going to have higher, okay, affinity for electrons. Okay, so at the last, what you are going to see, these electrons, they will be accepted by oxygen. Okay, and what you are going to see in all these steps, okay, so there is a flow of electron, and this flow of electron, okay, it is exergonic. Okay, and what is going to happen, this flow of electron, when it is going to release energy, okay, so what we are going to see, you are going to see the synthesis of ATP, okay, NADPH, okay, NADH, okay, the energy within the cell. Okay, now here hopefully you remember, in case the cell, the energy, it is being produced within the mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, within the mitochondria, you are going to have membrane bound enzymes. Okay, we will discuss, we will learn about these enzymes. Okay, electron transport chain, okay, ETC chain. Okay, so what is going to happen, there will be flow of electrons, and this flow of electron, it is going to produce a proton gradient, okay, force, we will discuss in detail, and this will drive the synthesis of ATP. Okay, same way, keep in mind that when in the case of bacteria, okay, in case of bacteria also, proton motive force, okay, generated within the flagellum, okay, it drive, in the case of E. coli, it is responsible, the proton motive force is responsible for movement of the flagella. Okay, flagellum. Okay, so a bacteria, okay, is going to have this flagella, and this will keep moving, and this happens by the flow of electron. Hopefully you have learned what is oxidation and what is reduction reaction, and these oxidation reduction reaction, keep in mind they are responsible for flow of electrons, and this flow of electron is responsible to carry out biological work. Now try to see, okay, if you know how a electric motor work, okay, within any electric motor what you are going to see, okay, there is also flow of electrons, okay. So within our body also you are going to see there is flow of electrons, and these flow of electrons, they are responsible to carry out biological work. Thank you for watching this. Please do like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel Deep Learning Biology. Thank you.